guys, my name is Victoria Pavlov. I'm the Photoshop artist. Welcome to my studio. Today we will create very beautiful sunrise image in Adobe Photoshop, and we will be using 3D objects I downloaded from PixelSquid.com. By the way guys, if you would like to learn more about 3D objects from PixelSquid.com, just let me know. Okay, let's start. I have opened my image I took about 3 years ago using my drone, and by default I have one locked layer. I will click on a lock icon just like that, and my layer is unlocked. First of all, let me zoom out just for better preview for you. And now I will resize my sunrise layer. Why? Just because I don't need to have ocean and anything visible. I just want to have this beautiful sky just like this, and I will click OK. Now I can a little bit zoom out for better preview. Now guys, let's talk about PixelSquid object. I have downloaded 3 objects I would like to work with today. I will click on this very beautiful tree just like this. And voila, PixelSquid downloaded this beautiful tree right into my document. But what if I would like to modify my tree? Can I? Sure, I can. First of all, I will specify that I don't want to have shadow in my tree now, because this shadow simply will be not visible. Using my move tool, I will reposition and I will resize my tree just like that, and I will bring it down. Perfect. Now I will specify that I would like to have my 3D object in high resolution. Definitely I do, just like that. Now I will duplicate my tree layer just like this, and maybe one more time. So now I have 3 trees just like that, maybe a little bit down to make a little bit different, just like that, and I love it. What I will do now guys, I will hide my background layer, my sunrise layer, and I will merge all visible layers, my 3 layers, just like that. Now I will click on adjustment, and here I will click on exposure. Because I would like to apply adjustment only to my trees, I will click on this icon, add a clipping mask, and now I will add my adjustment layer only to the layer below my adjustment layer, only to my trees, and I will bring down exposure just like this. Look at this, how beautiful is it? Now what I will do, I will hide my sky layer again, and I will merge all visible layers. Beautiful. Now I will be back to my PixelSquid plugin, and I will click on add new. Here I have a very beautiful 3D object I would like to work with. I will click on it just like that, and my windmill position in the center of my document. Now definitely I need to rotate it, I need to reposition it. First of all, I would like to rotate it. I can do it directly in my PixelSquid plugin. I will click on my 3D object and I will rotate it just like this. Beautiful, right? And now I will specify that I don't want to have shadows, because shadows will be not visible, and I will reposition and make my 3D object bigger just like this. Beautiful, and I will click OK. Now definitely I want to have my 3D object in high resolution, so I will specify that yes, I would like to have my 3D object in high resolution. And now I will click on my adjustments again, exposure, add a clipping mask, and I will bring down exposure just like this. Look at this guys, how beautiful is it? And I will hide my background layer, my trees layer, and I will merge visible layers just like that. Beautiful guys, look at this. Now I would like to add one extra detail into my document. I will switch back to my PixelSquid plugin. I will click on add new, and here I have birds I would like to add into my document. I will click on these beautiful birds, just like that. I will reposition them. I will restack a layer under my windmill, just like that. And definitely I will bring my birds a little bit up. Beautiful. What I would like to do right now, maybe I will reposition, rotate my birds just slightly. Perfect. And I will specify that I don't want to have shadows, and I would like to have my bird's 3D object in high resolution, just like that. And yes, guys, I will bring back adjustments panel again. I will click on exposure. I will specify that I would like to apply adjustment only to the layer below it. Add clipping mask, and I will bring down exposure just like that. Now, guys, one more time, I will hide my sunrise layer, sky layer, and I will merge all visible layers just like that. And now I have only two layers. One layer is my background layer, and top layer is my design. I can resize it if I like, just like that, and I will click OK. Now I will click on my sky layer. I will click on camera raw filter. And here in my camera raw filter, I will just slightly bring down exposure. I will increase contrast. Maybe I will increase highlights. And I will move my shadow slider slightly to the right, just like that. Let's see. And to make it more, to add more mystery effect to my image, I will bring texture slider to the right, to the left, I'm sorry, just like that. And I will click OK. And look at this, guys. How beautiful is it? And basically, this is what I wanted to share with you today. So guys, this is so much fun, and it's very easy to create anything you like in Adobe Photoshop using 3D objects from PixelSquid.com. And the best part, you don't have to create your 3D objects from scratch. Everything is ready for you. So guys, again, if you would like to learn more about PixelSquid 3D objects, just let me know. And of course, guys, if you have any questions, just ask. I will be more than happy to answer any of your questions. Thank you for your support, much appreciated, and I will see you later. Bye, guys.